Welcome back to the channel. It's been so long. We haven't been able to vlog very well. A lot of things happen. I have to make myself taller because he is very tall. Now we are in, where are we now?
Sohkhmi.
We are in Sohkhmi, and this is our first trek of 2023. We hope that this year we'll be able to take more videos and it won't be as bad as 2022, because last year he broke his shoulder on one of our treks and it was so bad. Maybe that video will be out as a kind of a storytelling kind of video. She's busy eating and she won't be saying anything, so let's just go. How long is this trek?
2 hours.
Ayya.
If you walk slow, 2.5. Yeah, man.
3 hours?
We will take 1 minute and 1 second at a time.
What?
Step by step. This is life. You know what? In this trek, we will learn about life, where we have to take it slow and steady, and we will reach destination.
I think it's your shoes, Yamu. She's wearing very big shoes, so she fell. Oh my god, look at your socks. I like your socks. Nice. 0 kilometer.
Let's skip to the good part.
Had our lunch and we even created a bonfire with
Wow, you created fire. Okay, you
Fire.
let.
And now we are gonna go to the living root bridge. Go go go!
Take off all your clothes. Back now. Oh, I'm so tired. Yo, let's go back. Except for I think we'll be here till it's really dark. One more mountain. How do you feel?
Itchy.
He was stung by so many mosquitoes. Jaya hurt her knee really bad, but we're okay. Still okay. How are you feeling?
Huh? Much better though. My knee is much better now. This is the phase of that life.
This is the phase of that life.
This is that phase of life
Uh-huh.
that you're used to the pain,
Uh-huh.
but then you are you've adapted to it and you carry on stronger than before.
Yes,
So,
Master Shifu. Any comment? Only trek can hurt like this.
yeah, better than heartbreak anyways.
Only
choose
trek can
any
hurt
day.
like this.
Almonds, good. Banana, good.
Banana good, huh?
Orange,
Banana.
good.
Good banana.
And grape, good.
Gips.
Grape. Okay, so we're back to Sora only.
No, we're still in Sora, so we'll end our vlog
No, we went
here.
to Sohkhmi, so now we're back to Sora.
So cold.
So cold. It was so hot, and there was like a drastic change to this weather.
I had fun. I mean, like, it was fun.
Yeah.
So until the next one, till the
Yeah.
next check.
Bye.
I've been there all day. Got me walking side to side. Wing, definitely. Oh, your pants are wet. Sit. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Ah! Don't you wish your girlfriend was free? Yeah!